We have that brand new prayer angel coming up, I think, right now. We've been talking about gifts for the kids, gifts for the home, gifts for her. This one is definitely gifts for the home or gifts for her. And let me introduce you to a wonderful lady named Holly Torrens, brand new to QVC. Hi, Holly.
Hi, thank you
Great
for
to
having
have
me.
you
Great
here.
to be here.
Holly and her husband founded a company and designed these prayer angels. And when I saw this, I thought, that's got to be in my show. This is a great gift. Holly, explain the kind of how this came about.
It actually started with my parents. They have a basket of greeting cards, they say, that they receive throughout the year, and they pick one a day and pray for that person. Well, my husband and I just loved that, so we started doing that ourselves, but we didn't have anywhere to display those cards, and they're always tipping over. So at the time, he was welding together these little nail and washer figurines to give as gifts to people, and so we made this one for me.
So it started right here.
You see, it's kneeling with the hands together in prayer to hold those cards or pictures. And so, well, my mom saw it and she wanted one, and then my grandma wanted one, and then our pastor wanted one, so we thought, you know, that seems to be a popular idea. Maybe we can make it out of something a bit nicer. So that's when we got to this elegant porcelain design.
It's gorgeous, Holly. It really is. You and your husband are so sweet. I got to meet him out in the entryway. Here, these are beautiful. But here's the thing: if you look between the hands, there's about 1/8 of an inch. All right. So now, when you set this down, because it sits flat and it says the prayer angel, and it comes with a beautiful card. But when you set this down, we're going to give you some ideas. So as you start to get the Christmas cards, and I've already gotten 2 or 3, they've started just arriving in the last couple days, put them in there and pray for that person that day. When you want to change it up and add a photo, you take the card out and you put a photo in, and maybe those are the people you're going to pray for today or next or this week, whatever it might be. It might be a missionary card, and you know, some missionaries that you want to remember to pray for. Well, give me some other ideas, Holly.
Some people like to have like a memorial card, you know, to remember loved ones who passed away, whether it's a grandparent or whatever. Every time you see that card, you're going to say a prayer for them and remember all those wonderful times with them. And you can also use things like inspirational cards. You know, a little motivation or that. Even writing like a Bible verse, and so you can memorize scripture in that.
That's what I would like to use this for. I want to actually, you know, print out, because you can go on, you know, Bible.com and you can print out, you know, a little Bible verse. You could put that on there, and that's what you're working on memorizing and things like that.
Exactly. And even just doing a handwritten note. So often we say we'll pray for people, you know, whether they're ill or taking a test or whatever, and we have the best intentions, but we get so busy. Here you can just write down who you want to pray for, and as you get more prayer requests, you continue adding there. And what a great way to get the whole family involved, because anybody can add to that list.
What a neat gift. For less than $20, this beautiful prayer angel. This is not just for the holidays. This is all year round. You can put this right there at the kitchen table where maybe the family is praying for something specific. Or maybe you're going to put it by your kitchen, you know, by your kitchen sink where you stand there for hours doing dishes and, you know, peeling potatoes and carrots and whatnot. And you're looking at this thinking, oh yeah, I wanted to remember to pray for them. Maybe you put it on your bathroom countertop so when you get up in the morning or before you go to bed at night, you know, you remember to pray for those people. I just think this is one of those really practical, very important items that for less than $20 could be one of the neatest gifts that you give that person in your life all Christmas. Maybe you buy 3 or 4 of these and you hand them out to all your favorite friends, or if you're in a small, you know, small group or Bible study and you want each one to have them. Maybe they're your accountability partner, whatever it might be. Look at that, even just, you know, anywhere in the home where you can see it and you can remember to pray for those people.
Exactly. I do like it there on the mantle because that makes such a statement there. You know, that's where people will gather when they come over to your house and that sort of thing. I heard such a nice story of a young couple who had a picture of their infant daughter in the prayer angel on the mantle. And then when people would come over to visit that new baby, you know, they were interested in that prayer angel, and they ended up ordering over a dozen of them to give as Christmas gifts. Because everybody was so interested in, you know, because it is something unique and different.
You had a couple other stories of people who have these, how they're using them.
Yeah, there's a young family who has 2 little children, a 3- and a 5-year-old, and the kids get to take turns picking from the basket to see who they're praying for. And the little boy, his grandmother was over, and he was telling her about the prayer angel and how they use it and that sort of thing. And he said, and Grandma, we prayed for that person for the whole day.
Yeah.
And I just love that story because it shows that it's teaching children, you know, the importance of prayer, but also how to be compassionate because they're praying for others. And I think What a great lesson for kids of any age.
Yeah, exactly. We're going off to the phones. What a neat gift. Brand new today. We literally came across this prayer angel and Holly and Ben, you and your husband, who designed this and said, you've got to come on QVC. Susan from Indiana. Hi, Susan. Welcome to QVC.
Suzanne, by the way.
Suzanne. I apologize, Suzanne.
That's okay. A lot of people make the same mistake.
No problem. Tell us, what did you think of the prayer angel that Holly and her husband Ben designed?
I was looking for a gift for my pastor, and I thought this would be a perfect gift for her.
Absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely. What a neat idea, isn't it?
Yes, I just thought it was just wonderful.
Yeah. And even, if you decide to come out and get one for yourself, as you get your Christmas cards, put that Christmas card right in there and remember those people for that next week or day or whatever it will be.
And I thought it was a wonderful idea.
Yeah, excellent. I'm glad you called in, Suzanne. Have a very Merry Christmas.
Same to you, too.
Thank you
It's
so
great
much.
to meet you.
Our pleasure.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye now.
Bye.
It is brand new. Look at this, done in beautiful white porcelain, all glazed, gorgeous. It will hold pictures. It will hold cards. It will hold any reminder of who to pray for. Why not give that as a gift? Set it however you want to, wherever you need to see it, but for less than $20, a lovely, lovely gift and a really important thing to do. It's 168-252. Holly, thank you once again. I appreciate you having me here.
Great
and
to
your
be here.
husband, Ben.
Thank you so much.